Hello, so I'm making a short video in addition to the voice note that I sent earlier on. So when you click on the link that I sent to the group, this is the interface that will pop up or that will show forth. And so from this interface, all that you got to do is to scroll down. And so you see, when you scroll down, you see 1, install R. 2, install RStudio. And per the instruction I gave you, you must first of all install the R. You must first of all install the R. After you are done downloading and installing the R software, then you come back to the same link again and come and do what? Install the RStudio. So from the same link, you can install both the R and the RStudio software. Then let's assume I'm installing the software for the very first time. So I'll come to what? Download and install R. Then I'll click on it. So here is where I'm going to install the software. Here we've got 3 options here, depending on the laptop that you are using. If you are using a Windows laptop, you click on what? Download R for Windows. If you are using a Mac, then you go for this option, download R for Mac. And if you are using a Linux, then you come for the very first option, download R for Linux. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do that again. And so do that and follow the prompt or the procedure to successfully install the software. When you are done installing the software successfully, you go to the same link again, but this time around, you are going to install the RStudio. So when you click install, download and install RStudio, it will bring you to this very same interface or similar one like this. Then here you select the operating system that you are using, whether you are using a Windows laptop, a Mac, or a Linux. So this is how to go about installing the R and the RStudio software. Thank you.